Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm working in this '06 Highlander 3.3. I'm doing the spark plugs. Spark plugs. Right. You have to remove the plenum. Right. The plenum is over here. I'm gonna use the new gaskets because every time you remove those, you never know. So I'm gonna use some NGK spark plugs. I love NGK for Toyotas. So the whole procedure is to remove the plenum, basically a couple hoses, a couple bolts. But as soon as you got that thing out, you have a lot of room to remove the spark plugs, right? So I already took out the three of the back. They were pretty bad. So like I said, remove this thing, the air filter case, and pretty much the front ones are easy. They're over here. So this tune-up is, make sure you, in this occasion, somebody was here eating and doing disturbings, freaking rats. So that happens, but it's okay. It's gonna be fine. I love snap-on too. Snap-on wrenches, ratchets. Okay, everybody. So just be focused. You know what I mean, Fernando. Take it easy, people. Enjoy the day. I'm gonna just finish this because time is time. See ya.